Hey guys, it's Richard here from Sleepo Coffee. Just going to give you a run through of what we're got happening out the back, because you only really see the front. So look, we're going to give you an idea. So we've got a machine in here on the floor which is coming for repair. It's got a lot going on with it, so that's going to be an insurance claim because it's a burnout motor. Up here we're refurbing a machine that was traded in about 3 years ago. We started that, we just can't ever get back to it. This one here is going to get a relay put on there, as well as a board change. We have a problem that's happening. We do a lot of ECM and a lot of Rocket, a lot of Bizarras, a lot of Expo Bar. This one here, this one's basically got no hot water coming out. I think we got a leak on the steam wand and a general service that's already halfway through now. We've got another Anthem come back from a customer which will be refurbed and ready to go out again. Just some parts there for the one that's been working on at the moment. We've got a new account coming on board, which have got a second-hand Rocket machine that's being currently serviced and refurbished, which is quite a lot. What do we go over here? We've got a couple on the floor, Lama Mazzocco. We've got an a GB5 by the look of it, and also a PB come back that's going to go back out again. They're getting refurbed at the moment. We've got a couple of machines up there, as you can see through all this mess. There's just so much going on over here. Repair, another one, and also a trade-in behind that will be refurbed. And then coming back around here, what have we got? We've got another Rocket machine. So this one here I think has got a spindle playing up, so we've had a quick look to see if we need to order a part, ready for that one to start. Then over here in the roasting room we've got more stacked up, and there's another machine there. So as you can see, and this is our beautiful roasting room, as you can see. So we're getting ready for tomorrow. But as you can see, we've got a lot going on. This whole warehouse is jam-packed, machines everywhere, repairs to do. But look, we'll get through these in the next week. So a lot of these will be done in a week. It doesn't take long. But I thought I'd just give you a heads up on what's going on out here.